Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be checking out formatting in Discord.py. So today we are going to check out how we can format our bot messages and make them look a bit more attractive. For example, if I type a message like this, okay, it is actually fine. I mean, it conveys the right meaning. But in some instances, like suppose your bot is going to warn a user. So warned, I'll mention myself for spamming. In this way, you don't understand what is a basic sentence and what has actually changed, like who was warned and for what reason. So in a similar way, if we add formatting, we can make it look a bit better like this. Like this, if we add bold, it makes us understand better what was done and how. So Kai Havertz was warned for spamming. Okay, so it's quite a simple thing, and so let's code it. So if message dot content dot lower dot starts with plus, that's our bot prefix, let's call it formatting. Okay, wait message channel dot send. Okay, let me just add some text here. Banned username 0001 for breaking rules. Let's just make it simple, and we can alter all the formatting. Okay, and let me just put this and the type of formatting. So I will just copy it and paste it a few times so we can do the rest. So in the first one here, if you put two asterisks in front and after, like before the word or sentence you want to be bold and after the word or sentence you want to be bold, then whatever is enclosed in that turns out to be bold. So in this sentence it will be username 0001 and breaking rules. Similarly, we can do underline, but instead of asterisks we have to use underscores. So wherever remember that whenever you have to format, whatever is enclosed in the formatting syntax gets formatted. So here it's two underscores, so that will give us an underline. For italics, it is very similar, but just a single asterisk. So that will just slant the text slightly towards the right. And here in our fourth instance, we can add bold and italics together by just increasing the number of asterisks from 2 to 3. So I'll just change names here, underline, here italics, and here bold italics. Okay, so these are some of the basic ones which you might have also used yourself in the chat, like this is underline and all that. So now let's again copy this and let us add another one, and this one is a bit different. It adds a bit of depth to the text. So like this one here, so hello, it adds a bit of depth and it creates a small black box around it. So for that we have to use the backward slash, which is the key right beside to the left of the one number key on the keyboard. You should see it. It's right above the tab key and under the escape key. So when we use that once, it will create a bit of a depth effect for our sentence. So here, and let's call it depth. Okay, and the last one that I want to show you is possibly when you have a bit large blocks of text, it's called a code block. So for that, it's actually it takes up the whole width of the line. So even if you put it just for username 0001, it will take a whole line for username 0001 and a whole line for breaking rules. So for using this, I advise you to use it at the start of your text and at the end. So it's 3 of those backward slashes. Okay, and okay, so that is it. Let's quickly run our file and we'll check out the format. So here we go, bot.py, run. Alright, it has started. So let's go into our app and formatting. There. So now let me take a moment to explain all of this. So this one is the bold one. As you can see, it's a bold text, and let me just enlarge. So this is the bold text. As you can see, breaking rules and username is bold. In this one, there is a nice underline, a neat underline for both of them. In here we have italics, which is slightly tilted text, and here we have bold italics. And here, as you can see, there is a bit of depth to the text, username and breaking rules. And here, as you can see, it took the whole line for the sentence and created a nice box around it. So that's it for the formatting, and I would actually advise you to use only one kind of formatting for a message. So for example, if I use something like band username for breaking rules, this doesn't actually look so uniform, and if you compare it, people actually like a better looking message. Like, people tend to use bots that have a better interface. So I would suggest you to use only one kind of formatting per message. So if you want to stick to underline, just stick to underline. If you want italics, just use italics, or if you want bold italics, just use that. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.